Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm holding in my hands the liquid tight angle connector. Okay, so basically this one is used for 90-degree angles, then going inside a junction box or utility box, and its main usage is to make sure no water enters inside the pipe. Okay, so this is mainly used in wet areas, and that's its primary purpose. Okay, so these are watertight seals to make sure that your connection is pretty watertight and safe to use. Okay, taking another quick look at it. There's a lock nut which locks it here. There you go. So this is the liquid tight angle connector.